All right, guys, welcome to Chapter 11, Section 3, which is going to be the measures of averages, the mean, median, and mode. The measures of averages are used to describe the distribution and consistency of numerical data. We refer the measures of averages as the measures of central tendency. There are three measures of central tendency. The mean, which is the average, and that is the sum of the data values in the data set divided by the number of data values in the data set. The mean is most best for when numbers in the data set are consistent with each other. So that means there are no data values in the data set that strays too far away from each other. Now, the mean of a sample is defined as x bar, such that x bar is equal to this symbol right here means sigma. That is capital sigma. And that means sum. Sum means to add. The sum of x. X is your data values. X is raw data. The sum of your data values divided by n, and n is your sample size. It represents how many data values are in your data set. The median is the middle value of the data set once the data is listed in chronological order. If there are two middle values, we need to find the midpoint of those values. The median is defined as capital MD, which is middle value 1 plus middle value 2 divided by 2. The median is preferred if the numbers in the data set have outliers. Outliers are values that, once again, I put stay, I meant to put stray. Stray far from the cluster in the data set. And the mode is the data value with the highest frequency. That means the data value that occurs the most. The mode, there can be 0 modes, 1 mode, or multiple modes. For question number 1, A and B, we want to find the mean, median, and mode of the data set. Let's find the mean. To find the mean, which is x bar, we're going to add up all the data values. Just open my calculator. So let's add 12 with 11, 10, 12, 12, 9, 14, 8, and 16. That is 104. And then we divide that 104 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 data values in my data set. And let's round to one number after the decimal, approximately 11.6. This second 5 will make that first 5 round up to a 6. The median is the middle value of the data set when the data is in order from smallest to largest. So putting it in order is going to be 8, 9, 10, 11, 3 12s, 14, and 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we cross off from the ends to find the middle value. The middle value is 12, therefore the median is 12. The mode represents which data value occurs the most, if there is a mode. And if we notice, 12 appears more than any other number in the data set, so my mode is 12. That is how we find the mean, median, and mode of our data. B, same thing. Let's find the mean. X bar equals to the sum of my data values So 100 plus 123 plus 89 plus 67 plus 123. I missed a value, did I not? Actually, I missed one of the other hundreds that I should have added, plus 100. That is 602. 602 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 data values. That's approximately 100.3. That is my mean. The median is the middle value when the data is in order from smallest to largest. So it's going to be 67, 89, 100, 100, 123, 123. And then we cross off from the ends to reach the middle. Wait a minute. There are two middle values. When there are two middle values, to find the median, I add those middle values, which is 100 plus 100. No matter what they are, you must add those two middle values and then divide by 2. 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 divided by 2 is 100. The median is 100. Now, we already know that because they're both the same value, so of course it's going to be 100. However, you still must find the median, the middle number, if there is two numbers in the center of the data set. The mode is the data values that occur the most. In this case, there are two modes, 100 and 123. Both 100 and 123 occur twice. They appear twice. And those numbers appear more than the other data values in the data set, which is 89 and 67. Therefore, those are my two modes, 100 and 123. And that is how you find the mean, median, and mode of a single data set. All right, guys, that is it to this video. Hope that made sense. Hope you understood it. I'll see you soon. Take care.